The first light of day touches the horizon, casting a golden glow across Madagascar's western coast. Here, the avenue of the Baobabs awakens, a forest of giants, their smooth, gray trunks soaring skyward. Their branches, sparse and twisted, resemble roots reaching for the heavens. As sunlight filters through the canopy, dramatic shadows stretch across the red earth. The air is cool and still, filled with the hum of life beginning to stir. These Baobabs, some over 1,000 years old, are silent witnesses to the island's history. Their silhouettes at dawn are an iconic symbol of Madagascar. The forest stirs, insects buzz, birds call, and the ecosystem comes alive. Walking among these colossal trees, you feel small, a visitor in a kingdom of giants. The trunks are so wide, it takes several people to encircle just one. Their unique upside-down appearance has inspired local legends. Some say the gods planted them wrong side up. As the mist swirls, the scene feels magical and ancient. Each crack and gnarled branch tells a story of survival. Baobabs provide shelter, food, and water for generations of animals and people. Their hollow trunks store precious rainwater in this dry land. As the sun rises, the forest transforms, revealing its true character. The Baobab forest is ready to share its secrets with those who watch and listen. This is a place where nature's imagination runs wild. The giants stand ready for another day in their ancient realm. Madagascar is a world apart, shaped by millions of years of isolation. Around 160 million years ago, it broke away from Africa, then drifted from India, becoming a natural laboratory for evolution. This isolation allowed life here to follow its own path. Over 90% of Madagascar's wildlife is found nowhere else on Earth. Lemurs, primitive primates, flourished in the absence of monkeys and apes, evolving into over 100 species. Chameleons too diversified into a dazzling array of forms. Every corner of the island, from spiny deserts to lush rainforests, is home to creatures that defy expectations. Exploring Madagascar is like stepping into a parallel universe. Its long solitude has created a fragile, irreplaceable web of life. Madagascar is a living museum of natural history, a masterpiece sculpted by time. The baobab trees are true masters of survival. Of the world's 9 baobab species, 6 are unique to Madagascar. Their spongy trunks store thousands of liters of water, allowing them to endure long droughts. Baobabs are the heart of their ecosystem, providing nectar, fruit, and shelter for countless species. Their night-blooming flowers feed bats and moths. Their fruits nourish lemurs and birds. Hollows in their trunks become homes for owls, reptiles, and insects. Many baobabs are over 1,000 years old, living monuments to Madagascar's past. They are revered by the Malagasy people, woven into folklore and daily life. The tree's bark is used for rope and cloth, their fruit for food and drink. The relationship between people and baobabs is one of deep respect and interdependence. These ancient sentinels connect the present to a distant past. They are not just part of the landscape, they are part of Madagascar's soul. The baobabs stand as pillars of life and culture. Lemurs are Madagascar's signature animals, and the baobab forests are their stage. The ring-tailed lemur, with its bold black and white tail, moves in troops, tails held high like flags. Sifakas, the dancing lemurs, leap between trees with powerful legs, then hop sideways on the ground in a unique dance. At night, the mysterious Ai emerges, using its long, thin finger to tap on bark and extract insect larvae. Each lemur species has adapted to fill a different niche. Some sunbathe, some dance, some hunt by sound in the dark. Their diversity rivals that of monkeys, squirrels, and woodpeckers elsewhere. Lemurs are a living testament to Madagascar's evolutionary journey. They are the leaping, dancing, and tapping lords of the forest. Watching them is to witness nature's creativity in action. Their presence makes Madagascar a place of unending wonder. The forest echoes with their calls and movements. Each lemur is a marvel of adaptation. They embody the spirit of this ancient land. The lemur's story is Madagascar's story. Madagascar is the world's chameleon capital, home to half of all known species. The panther chameleon dazzles with its rapid color changes, greens, reds, and blues used for communication and courtship. Their eyes move independently, and their tongues shoot out to catch insects in a flash. On the forest floor, Brookesia chameleons, some no bigger than a matchstick, blend perfectly with dead leaves. Their camouflage is so effective they're nearly invisible. These tiny chameleons move with slow, jerky motions, mimicking leaves in the breeze. From giants to dwarves, Madagascar's chameleons are marvels of adaptation. Survival here isn't about size, it's about fitting in. The chameleon's diversity is a testament to evolution's creativity. Each species is a master of its environment. Madagascar's chameleons are living jewels of the forest. The Baobab forests hide elusive creatures, rarely seen by human eyes. The fossa, Madagascar's top predator, is a sleek hunter, neither cat nor dog, but uniquely Malagasy. Agile in the trees, it chases lemurs through the canopy, maintaining the ecosystem's balance. The leaf-tailed gecko, or Europlatus, is a master of camouflage, its body and tail mimicking bark and leaves. By day, it's invisible. By night, it hunts insects on tree trunks. These secretive animals are sculpted by their environment to survive unseen. The fossa and leaf-tailed gecko represent the hidden diversity of Madagascar. Many creatures here live their lives in secrecy, blending into the ancient woods. The forest's secrets are revealed only to the most patient observers. Madagascar's hidden world is as rich as it is mysterious. Madagascar's wild places face grave threats, deforestation chief among them. Slash and burn agriculture, once sustainable, now clears vast forests for crops. The ancient baobabs may remain, but the ecosystem around them vanishes. Wildlife loses homes, food, and vital corridors, leaving species isolated and vulnerable. The illegal wildlife trade and hunting for bushmeat add to the pressure. Climate change brings unpredictable weather, pushing many species toward extinction. Lemurs, chameleons, and the fossa are now endangered. Madagascar is a biodiversity hotspot, but also one of the most threatened. Its unique creatures have nowhere else to go. The loss of this paradise would be a tragedy for the world. The silence of a cleared forest is a warning we cannot ignore. There is hope. Across Madagascar, people are fighting to protect this fragile world. Conservation now means working with local communities, offering sustainable alternatives to deforestation. Ecotourism, sustainable farming, and education empower people to become guardians of their natural heritage. Local guides, rangers, and researchers create a direct link between conservation and community well-being. Scientific research maps habitats and monitors species, guiding effective strategies. Reforestation projects are restoring lost forests, one tree at a time. The challenge is immense, but the commitment is strong. The future of Madagascar's wildlife depends on the passion and dedication of its people. These guardians are a beacon of hope for this extraordinary island. The Baobab forests are a living library of evolution, a story of isolation, adaptation, and survival. To walk among these giants is to connect with something ancient and profound. Madagascar's fate rests in our hands. Its threats remind us of our impact, but its defenders show our capacity for care. Preserving this island means saving an entire evolutionary story. The world would be poorer without its lemurs, baobabs, and secrets. We must support the guardians, learn from them, and help protect this legacy. Every action, no matter how small, matters. The future of the Baobab forest is not yet written. Let us work together to ensure its story is one of survival and wonder. Madagascar's legacy is a gift to humanity, a chapter in the epic of life we must never let fade.